how to reset network settings without losing data in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can reset your network settings without losing all of your data. So let's dive right in. Head over to the settings and then go to general, then scroll down to the bottom and you will find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and there you can see two options, reset and then erase all content and settings. So you do not have to tap on erase all content and settings if you don't want to lose all the data. You'll need to tap on reset and there you'll find reset network settings. Just tap on it and then you'll need to enter your passcode and confirm that you want to reset your network settings. And that's it. Your network will be reset without you losing all of your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.